Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to copy text from images using the OneNote. So open the OneNote now, picture, and select the picture like this one. Now right click on your picture and simply you have to click on copy text from picture and paste anyway like this. So this is the way guys you can copy text from picture using the OneNote. And you need to adjust if you want to have some Excel or complicate data, but you can copy from pictures. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you.